ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯗ ꯁꯔꯆ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯗ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ, ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯗ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯁ DNA. DNAꯁꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯪꯗꯣꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ. The unequivocal proof that DNA is the genetic material came from the experiment of Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase, 1952. They worked with viruses that infect bacteria called bacteriophages. Haidiko, the unequivocal proof that DNA haidi proof layraga ko manadaba proof piraga ko DNA से genetic material ने हाइबसे को अल्फ्रेड हर्शी का मार्था चेस का 1952 दा हाइरमेबा माना वायरसेस कईदा वर्क तौरमगे हाइबा मतमदा बैक्टीरिया इन्फेक्ट तौबा ngambako बैक्टीरिया बु इन्फेक्ट तौबा ngamba viruses को bacteriophages को बमदा वर्क तौरमेबको bacteriophages हाइदि बैक्टीरिया इन्फेक्ट तौबा ngamba दु virus अदुबु bacteriophages हाइबनेबको. The bacteriophage attached to the bacteria and its genetic material then enter the bacterial cell. Bacteriophages to na bacteria sida attach tawrani dana bacteriophages haidi virus to ni ko ma haise bacteriophage to na virus to na bacteria do da attach tawra lerni aduga magi genetic material do, that means virus tagi genetic material do bacterial cell sida enter tawsalani haidi changani bako. The bacterial cell treats the viral genetic material as if it was its own, subsequently manufacture more virus particles. The bacterial cell treats the viral genetic material. Hadi bacterial cell dunane viral genetic material hadi virus to genetic material do magi hadi as if it was its own haidi mai masagi genetic material do maina treat tawebako. masada yauzaramba haidi bacterial cell dugi masada yauzaramba genetic material do maina virus ki genetic material se treat piyebako and subsequently manufacture adum manufacture tawreko more virus haidi virus particle hen ne bacterial cell manung duda manufacture tawrebako. Hershey and Chase worked to discover whether it was protein or DNA from the virus that entered the bacteria. Hershey ga Chase ka na Hershey ga Chase ka na protein la na virus particle changa idoko protein la DNA ra haidi virus tagi bacterial cell da changa iba genetic material do protein la DNA ra na mana moina work tawramebako discover tawnaba. They grew some viruses on a medium that contained radioactive phosphorus and some others on medium that contained radioactive sulfur. They grow some viruses on a medium. Virus khara ne medium amada grow ta halebako that contain radioactive phosphorus. Virus khara mana radioactive phosphorus medium yauba amada grow ta halle hapsale aduga virus khara amana radioactive sulfur yauba amda experiment ani neba tawrise amana radioactive sulfur yauba ma amana radioactive phosphorus yauba ma sida virus khara ama hapchale duga sob dasu virus khara ama hapchale tongan experiment tawdoriba yengdorineba haidi virus tagi changa iba genetic material do protein oidora DNA oidora habido. Virus grown in the presence of radioactive phosphorus contain radioactive DNA but not radioactive protein because DNA contains phosphorus but protein does not. This is important ne hadi virus grown in the presence of radioactive phosphorus haidi radioactive phosphorus yauba amana radioactive sulfur ne amana radioactive phosphorus natra radioactive phosphorus yauba virus to haidi radioactive phosphorus yauba virus to dane radioactive DNA yaubeba DNA dusu radioactive yaubeba DNA yaubeba mangonda protein yaudeba not protein mangondadi protein yaude DNA yaubeba haidi radioactive phosphorus yauba virus to the radioactive DNA yawe habaneba ko protein yaude habaneba because kaigino protein amuk yaudrishina hayadi because DNA contains phosphorus but protein does not kaigino DNA dadi kaigino DNA yaurise phosphorus ta radioactive phosphorus yauba virus to the DNA aise kaigino haba matamda DNA dane DNA da phosphorus yaweba DNA da phosphorus yaweba ko protein di yawdeba protein di yawdeba ko DNA da phosphorus yawe DNA contain phosphorus but protein does not. Similarly, virus grown on radioactive sulfur contain radioactive protein but not radioactive DNA because DNA does not contain sulfur. Kaigino hai matamda virus ko radioactive sulfur da grown tawriba virus tadi radioactive protein yawe basidana ko ama in contrast ni ko aduga radioactive DNA da yaude ba ko yaude ba kaigino habam tam DNA da di sulfur yaude ba DNA da di kaini dana phosphorus ni dana yaurido aduga phosphorus yaubani mangonda sulfur yaudramnina radioactive protein chu mangonda yauroidana amadudadi sidana radioactive protein yaurise kaigino haba matamda sulfur da DNA dadi sulfur yaudabanina radioactive protein yaudaba ko DNA dadi DNA da sulfur yaudabanina ko si important ko sigi previous line duga sigi line siga se sidagina si phawse important ne ko confuse kano haiba maram diko ai muk summary pige ko confuse kano ba sidana radioactive sulfur ne sidana radioactive phosphorus ne ba ko lairise ani ne ba lairise sidana radioactive sulfur dana protein yawe ba radioactive protein yaw ni ba ko sidana radioactive phosphorus dana DNA yaw ni ba kaigino DNA yaure ise DNA dadi phosphorus yawe ba ko si DNA dadi phosphorus yawe ba phosphorus yawe ba ko ado sidana DNA yaudrishina karigino haiba matamda DNA da phosphorus yaubanina DNA da sulfur yaude ba ko protein da sulfur yaubagi sida protein phangine ba ko DNA da phosphorus yaudabagi sida DNA phangdrine ba ko radioactive sulfur dadi radioactive sulfur se kaide yauge haba matamda si protein da yawe ba aduna mangonda radioactive protein phangine ba aduga radioactive phosphorus da DNA phangisina kaigino hai matamda DNA da phosphorus yaubagi radioactive DNA su phangine ba ko Radiophages were allowed to attach to E. coli bacteria. Radiophages hai tardi radioactive oiva virus to niko mana radiophages hai di bacteriophages to ko ajuda kaide attach taweba ahan bagi step sina E. coli bacteria da ngasagi moina bacterial cell ama hai bado moina lowri se karamano hai matam da E. coli bacteria sine ba ko then as the infection proceeded adudagi infection process se haure ba ko the viral coats were removed from the bacteria by agitating them in a blender. Viral coats se haibadi virus tugi viral viral coat lainena ko haidi bacteria gi ko bacteria dugi viral coat se remove tawre ba ko by agitating them in a blender use tawraga blending hai se ko blender use kai gino haiba matamda sum attach tawraga mai code to attach tawr lairadi virus to ki genetic material do haidi changamoiba bacterial cell du da ko aduna bacteria du gi viral code hana remove taweba ko the virus particles were separated from the bacteria by spinning them in a centrifuge haidi ko virus particles se separate tawreba ko virus particles se kamaina separate tawge haiba matamda bacteria dagi virus particles se separate tawre ko by spinning ngasai last step se ko kamaina last step se lauge haiba matamda ne virus particles change virus particle hadi genetic material do virus to dagi bacterial cell to da change aduga particles sing do hadi separate tawe amaga separate tawe ko bacteria du da ko kamaina tawge haiba matamda centrifugation spin hadi ungaga ko centrifuge tawraga haibidi centrifugation process sa tharaga ko separate taweba ko bacteria which was infected with viruses that had radioactive DNA were radioactive, indicating that the DNA was the material that passed from the virus to the bacteria. See important ne ko sigi line se bacteria karamba bacteria haidi virus infect tawra matungda radioactive DNA yaubado karamba bacteria ore adudi radioactive phosphorus yauba bacteria du natra adu haidi phosphorus ti DNA da yaubani dana sa DNA present oi haibani natiro aduna DNA present oi habani na radioactive DNA yauba bacteria do adudo indicating the DNA was the material that passed from the virus to the bacteria aduna ngasagi virus tagi bacteria da pass tawre ise radioactive DNA yauba bacteria da adudi kaim natre ba my genetic material se DNA ba ko bacteria that were infected with viruses that had radioactive proteins are not radioactive aduga ngasagi radioactive protein yaubado adugi bacteria dunane radioactive oidreba sine indicate tawridi kaino haba tamda protein did not enter the bacteria from the virus sina takpadi protein se virus tagi bacteria de enter tawrakpa nattebe enter tawrakte habaneba ko DNA is therefore the genetic material that is passed from the bacteria to the virus to the bacteria aduna genetic material se kaim natre virus sidagi bacteria da pass tawre ise ko bacteria da pass tawre ise DNA sineba ko genetic material do adune ko si diagram se hayeng yeng se ko si figure se mana hai se ngasagi si ani se lawre ko aina ani lawe habido amana radioactive phosphorus 32p haiba ma amana radioactive sulfur 35s hama lawre protein capsule ni ko si se bacteriophage ngata ni ko si gisingsa aduda handada infection thokhale infection tho an ba haibadi si se attach tawre sigi cell si se E. coli cell ni ko si se E. coli ne ba ko E. coli bacteria cell du ne ba ko si se sida attach ta hole attach ta hon bagi process infection thokan ba ko ba ko sida infection attach ta re adui matung da blending process atha laga magi protein code se hadi magi genetic material du khata ne ba virus ki chang hau du se magi code tu di viral code tu di ma pa le hau do ne ba ko adu ma pa le raga tongan ta hale genetic material du no manung chang hale si blending process ta ra ko genetic material du manung thajala neba virus to gi bacteria cell manungda adui matungda centrifugation process ta kamain tawre hade spin tawraga sise tongan na ne lauthokna bane sigi se tongan lauthokna ba spin tawraga virus bacterial haidi viral particles sing the bacterial cell manungda yauri sing se siga viral codes ga tongan tokhai ta na bai da makta spin tawraga centrifugation hai spinning process to bani centrifugation hai se aduga tokhai tara separate tawbire ko adui matungda mana sida hari se no radioactive detected in cell bacterial cell da ne radioactive yauram oiramdre bacterial cell du di ko radioactive oidre ba ko S35 ki di ko kai gi no haiba matamda ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯤꯟꯗꯣ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯤꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯕꯩꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁꯇꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯛꯇꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯤꯟ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯅ 32 ꯐꯣꯁꯐꯣꯔꯁꯇꯅ ꯕꯦꯛꯇꯦꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯛꯇꯦꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁꯇꯨꯗꯒꯤ DNA ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ DNA ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ S35 detected in supernatal ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ S35ꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯄꯔꯅꯥꯇꯜꯗ ꯐꯪꯉꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ P35ꯇꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯣꯁꯐꯔꯁꯀꯤꯅ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯁꯨꯄꯔꯅꯥꯇꯦꯟꯗ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯁꯨꯄꯔꯅꯥꯇꯦꯟꯗ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯁꯨꯄꯔꯅꯥꯇꯦꯟꯗ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ P35ꯇꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ DNAꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ DNA ꯁꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯜꯗꯤ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ DNA ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤ ꯁꯨꯄꯔꯅꯥꯇꯦꯟ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯗ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔꯇꯤ RNAꯒ DNAꯒꯤ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯀꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔꯇꯤ ꯆꯦꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯁꯕꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯕꯥꯏ